Hi, David from DeckDeckGo here. We recently published an update of our editor for presentation, and I thought that it would be interesting to make a quick walkthrough of what's new in this new release. And guess what? Maybe it's interesting to do that with a presentation. So let's go to DeckDeckGo.com and create a new presentation. What's new in DeckDeckGo? And yeah, we don't need subtitles, so I'm just gonna delete it. So the first thing we have added is Google font. So right now, as of now, you can select a bunch of font for your whole presentation. In that case, I'm gonna use Platt. Okay? Also, if you don't know, you can modify the whole background of your presentation. Per default, it gets a color. But of course, if you want to have it white and black, that's no problem. Second things we have modified, not modified because it was actually already the case, but as of now, all assets are private for every user. I think it's really something important. That means that right now, if I upload, for example, that screenshot of my side project, if I don't share my presentation, no one have access to that asset. And I think it's really something meaningful. So as you can see, you can change colors and stuff. Okay. As we do a presentation, maybe we need a table of content, which I've forgotten. So I'm gonna add a table of content here and contents, and we probably want the table of content to be the second slide of our presentation. So I'm just gonna move it here. And here I want a list, I guess. So I'm gonna do that. So we say we have Google fonts and we have private assets, right? Something new too is that now you are able to clone your presentation. If you go to your dashboard, you already were able to delete your presentation, as you were able to delete your account, of course, because privacy does matter. It's really important to us, but now you can also clone your presentation. And what's cool also is it runs in the cloud. So even if your browser breaks or whatever, or you close it, then it's still gonna finish the job. You can break the data. Just gonna delete it. I don't need two presentations for the same thing. Okay, right? Oh, something we introduced also recently, you cannot change the animation between the slides. They aren't that much now, but still, I think it's kind of cool that you can also do another type of transition. New too, we got a landing page, because before we just had the feed, which is remain the most important part as soon as you're logged in. You know, like it's really every presentation which has been published with our tool, because we do care about the community. But we think that for people not knowing our tools, we thought we should maybe give some more information about what it is. So you can go there, you got standard landing page with all the info, but yeah, because we kind of like when it's a bit meta, then there is also like a presentation inside our presentation tool, which is the landing page. Cool, so I'm gonna go back to my presentation and gonna add now another point is the accessibility. I have to make a big kudos to Roy. One Saturday I was home and then I began to receive notification from GitHub because Roy went through DeckDeckGo and he discovered many things which had to be improved for the accessibility, and we have implemented a couple, almost all, in this new release, and have to say it, so a big thanks to Roy. It's really cool. You know, like notably stuff like the color, so the white one, that the opacity, how to say, the contrast is better, or maybe now if you tab, it auto scrolls to the next slide. So 3 stuff which are really, really important. Finally, not really finally, because I got 2 more other stuff, but as you may know, DeckDeckGo is based on templates. The reason behind is that we have templates. I'm just gonna make that closer, because if you use those templates, then they look good on every devices. And when I mean with every devices, I mean it looks good on mobile devices too in portrait mode. Like for example, if I add a GIF, because I'm happy, then even that GIF gonna be well displayed. Again, I can choose or not to display something or not. And one of these templates is the auto template. One thing I like is, as you can see, all the data are pre-filled. The reason behind is that in my settings, I already entered my name and my summary and my Twitter and social account. So if I go back to the presentation, I don't have to type this. This information exists. So regardless what I do, they're gonna be pre-filled, which is kind of cool. We have also improved this, how do we say? It displayed the handle, and here, you can now opt out if you rather like not to display your image. You can opt out, and you can also display it in circle if you rather like. Yeah, cool. So that's it. And something we did also recently, I'm gonna do that. In case you want to showcase some code, we have polished the thing. Now it's displayed in a nice kind of Macish window. I'm just gonna do something, right? Oops, like this, maybe it's whatever. Okay, so if you want, you can of course, I can again, because there is no option, you can of course change always the color and stuff like that. But if you want, you can also say, I don't want to wrap that in a code, or you can display the line numbers. And of course, there is still the ability to display, for example, I want to highlight these 2 lines with, yeah, that's not really a nice color. Yeah, to highlight this color, right? So, and what's kind of funny is we even put that in a Gatsby plugin. So if you want to have the exact same card in your Gatsby website, you can. So that's cool. Yes, so there is one more thing we have added. It's the Embed Code. But actually I have to share my presentation first, because if I want to embed my presentation in my website, yeah, of course I need to publish it, because again, it's private. So before we do that, I'm just gonna add the last slide, because I find it's kind of cool that when you go to a presentation, yeah, to actually do your talk, that you can tell the people to just take their phone, scan the QR code, and bam, they got the presentation on their phone. Because remember, when you publish it, then it's gonna be a progressive web app. So what's new in there? Here I can add maybe some more data. What's new in DeckDeckGo in our first release of 2020. Maybe I have some tab I want. Cool. And now I'm gonna publish. So it takes a bit, like lambda function, waking bird and stuff like that. Come on, I'm ready. Yeah, cool. Here actually it's already done. We just have a small delay because I want the be sure that everything is fine. And also we are taking a screenshot in the cloud too for the cards, you know. So of course you can share the presentation wherever you want. I'm just gonna check that everything is fine. I guess so. Yeah. Ooh, really nice. And what's cool, it's a PVR, so everything is lazy loaded, so it's supposed to be relatively fast. And like I said, something new is if you go to share, you got embed, and as a YouTube video, you can copy that, put it in your website, and your presentation is embedded. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the link of this presentation under the video. And yeah, I hope you're gonna give a try to our tools. If you have any feedbacks, ideas of improvement, please ping us. Really looking forward to improve the tools. And yeah, thank you. Bye.